Hello everyone, this is Raihan. Today I'll show you how to connect Power BI to SQL Server. In order to do that, you need to open Power BI desktop, which in my case is already open, and click on Get Data. Once you click on this one, it should show you a list of connections that are available. You can click on More to see what are the options that are available for you. In the under the All tab, you have all the connections that are available in Power BI for you to use. In my case, I want to connect to SQL Server database. So I will click on database, and here is the list of databases that I can connect to. I'll choose SQL Server and connect. Okay. Now Power BI is asking for SQL Server database name and also the server details to me. Once I put these two details, I have the option to choose between import and direct query. I usually prefer importing data because after importing the tables, you can actually do transformations, addition of columns, and various type of data wrangling. And also, you can use DAX functions if you do the import. With direct query, these functionalities become very, very limited. That's why I always prefer importing. You can look at website to find out the benefits and pros and cons of importing versus direct query for further details. For security reason, I'm not going to show what the server detail is for now. So I'll pause the video and go to the next step. Okay, guys, I have clicked on the OK button after putting my server details and database that I want to connect. Now it is asking for credentials. You need to be mindful about which under which dialog box you are putting your credentials. If I put my credentials here, it will not work. Why? Is this because here it is asking for use your Windows credentials to access this database. But in my case, my database is not configured to use Windows credentials. That's why I have to choose database here and connect to it. The VM is losing connections. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video and connect. Sorry for the interruption. So in my case, as I was saying, I have to select database and put credentials. So you have to know which credential your database needs. Is it Windows, it is database, or is it Microsoft account that you need to put? Again, for security reason, I'm not going to show the username and password that I'm putting here. I'll pause the video and go to the next step. Once I clicked on next, it is showing me the tables available in this database for me to work with. You see, there are dimension tables, there are fact tables, so on and so forth. You can select one of these and multiple of these and bring it to your Power BI. In my case, I will bring one of the tables just to show you how it works. So I have this weather data. I'm trying to find where I have the weather data. There you go. Weather. Once you select, it will show you a preview of the data that you are connecting to. I'll just load it, clicking on the load button. Power BI is connecting to the database and the data should be available very soon. For some reason, the VM is acting really slow today. So Bear with me. Once connected, it is showing me the table that I have imported and all the variables inside it that I can play with. So this is it for today. I have shown you how to connect Power BI to SQL Server database and how to get the tables inside Power BI. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be coming up with new videos to show you more functionalities as to how you can use Power BI to bring data to life and make sophisticated data models which interacts with each other. So keep watching. Thank you.